welcome to Colors in Life. Every 14th Feb, people across the world exchange gifts and flowers with their loved ones. It is considered as the best day to show your love and care, and even express your feeling with the one you love. So on this special day, I would recommend you all to make something special, creative and thoughtful by taking little more personal effort. When we take time to make something special, there is a lot of care, love and thought we put into it. And the receiver will know that you have really put effort for making something special just for them. So in today's video, I will share some thoughtful and creative ideas to gift on this Valentine Day. If you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. It means a lot. Share this video with your family and friends and leave your feedback and suggestions in the comment section below. So without wasting any time, let's start with the video.
First is this bright and sparkling jar lantern. Easy to make, yet looks really beautiful. To make this, you will need a glass jar, 2 small photos, sellotape and fairy lights. Start by sticking the sellotape on the back of the photo. Place it in the jar like this. Here half sellotape is sticked to the photo and half to the glass jar. And repeat the same process with other photo. Now place the fairy lights in the jar. I am using battery operated fairy lights. I bought this from Amazon. I will mention the link in the description box if you want to buy this. And the beautiful personalized jar lantern is ready. You can place your favorite photo in the jar and gift it to your loved ones. I am sure whenever he or she will light this, it will bring smile on their face. Next is this beautiful canvas photo frame. It hardly took me 30 minutes to make this frame. Surprised? Actually, I used decoupage technique with some acrylic color to paint this. To give painting effect to the real photo, I installed Artist A app in my Android phone. Then added the real photo in the app, selected a filter to transform the photo, adjusted some setting like brightness and contrast and saved it. This is the final photo after transformation. Then I took a printout of this photo on A4 sheet. Now I am going to use Mod Podge, which is an all-in-one binder and can be used as glue and sealer. Apply it all over the backside of photo and properly stick it on the canvas. Now I am going to use acrylic color to merge the background of the picture with canvas, and that will actually add proper painting effect in the canvas board. While coloring, you need to make sure to use same color as that of picture, and it should properly merge with the background. Then only it will give the effect of actual painting. I tried to give same effects on canvas board using acrylic colors. Make sure you give the same effect on the edges of canvas. If you like painting, you will definitely going to enjoy the process of merging colors with the background of picture. And even if you are beginner, this is really simple process to follow. Here you can see that I also painted on the picture so that the colors will properly blend and the picture will merge with canvas. Here I am properly merging the picture using light blue color by overlapping acrylic color on picture and merging it till the end of canvas. I made sure that the entire painting is looking uniform and there is no separation of canvas board and picture. Once the painting is done, let it dry for 3 to 4 hours and then apply a nice coat of Mod Podge all over it. Mod Podge will properly seal the painting. Let it dry overnight. And and this mesmerizing painting was ready. It turned out so beautiful that I could not take my eyes off it. I will encourage you all to give it a try, even if you have never painted. Make this Valentine's Day special by gifting such a wonderful surprise to your love, and I'm sure it will make your day. Next is this unique embroidery Dreamcatcher. To make this, you will need a wooden embroidery hoop and a white cotton handkerchief. Properly position the handkerchief inside the hoop and write the message you want to convey to your love. And some simple design. I filled the leaves with simple satin stitch. Use the same technique to fill the heart. And made the letters simply using backstitch. Saying hi to you guys in the middle of the process. Now with white acrylic color, I am just defining the edge of circle. I already had this fake climbers. Attached it from the back side using cello tape, and this beautiful embroidery Dreamcatcher is ready. Placed fairy lights to add some brightness. I really liked the boho vibe of this Dreamcatcher. And last but not the least is writing a letter. With text, phone calls, emails and social media, we now have so many options to easily communicate with each other. And if you really want your words to weigh as much as you feel, a handwritten letter will do a trick. They last through time and are permanent reminder. You can write your feelings, your beautiful memories, the importance of the person in your life and so on. At the end, it's important to be happy with each other. Love is all about care, trust, understanding and respect. So this Valentine's Day, make a promise to build your relationship on these values. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, share the video, comment down below and like it. Bye.